Right now, the Chula Vista City Council is holding a public hearing to vote on the potential removal of a statue of Christopher Columbus. Fox 5's Kelsey Christensen is live there with more on that tonight. Kelsey.
Andrew, hi. Yeah, that's right. Definitely a lot of motion behind this decision tonight. Local Kume'ai leaders and supporters have been out here ahead of the Chula Vista Council meeting tonight to show just how dedicated they are to this issue of removing the Columbus statue at Discovery Park and renaming the park itself. The city's Human Relations Commission recommends the City Council direct staff to remove the statue and eventually replace it with another work of art or a statue of some sort reflecting Chula Vista's diversity. Also rename Discovery Park and rename Columbus Day to Indigenous Peoples Day here in Chula Vista. A task force of community members would be included in a new name and replacement art or statue.
I think it's good to remind the City Council and others in this community, as well as those of your viewers who are throughout San Diego County and beyond, that we are living on Kume'ai land, and that it is as part of us being good guests, learning to be good guests on Kume'ai land, that we do our part to amplify their voice and to support them so that people know who the Kume'ai Nation is.
That's right, and the Chula Vista City Council is expected to vote on this tonight. That's the removal of the Columbus statue and the renaming of Discovery Park. So, of course, we will stay on this and stick with us for the very latest. Andrew.
All right, Kelsey Christensen in Chula Vista. Kelsey, thank you so much.